It's a great experience and it's a great platform for jewelers all around India to showcase what they have to offer. It really does bring the standard of jewelry up in our country, and it's very entertaining, it's very competitive, and it brings out the best that we have.
What is jewelry for you? If you would want to describe it in few words.
Jewelry for me, I like to wear what works for me, something very simple, classic and elegant. Today I'm wearing these sweetheart earrings from Nirav Modi, and they are a personal favorite.
What are you wearing today? How much beautiful?
My dress is a relatively new brand called Needle and Thread, which I really like currently. And thank you.
So, what do you want to say about Retail Jeweler India Award?
I've been associated with the Retail Jeweler India Awards for the last couple of years actually, and it feels really great to be back here again. I think that these awards actually, up the ante. They take things to the next level for jewelry in India. और जो भी बड़े बड़े नाम हैं हमारे इंडस्ट्री में वो सब लोग आ जाएगा यहाँ और फॉर अस गर्ल्स बहुत अच्छे दिन है क्योंकि ऐसा ब्यूटीफुल ज्वेलरी पहन के आ सकते हैं ये सब जेमफील्ड से है आई लव दीज रूबीज विच आई एम वेयरिंग एंड आई थिंक इंडिया में जितना भी लड़कियों हैं जितना भी हम ये इंडस्ट्री को बढ़ा सकते हैं वो अच्छी बात है बिकॉज वी लव आवर डायमंड्स वी लव आवर ब्यूटीफुल ज्वेलरी and I'm very happy to be associated with it.
सबसे फेवरेट ज्वेलरी कौन सी है आपकी मतलब कौन सा पीस ऑफ ज्वेलरी आप पहनना पसंद करती है सबसे
Earrings हमेशा जो भी आउटफिट में पहनती हूँ the one thing which I don't skip is earrings and I think घर में भी मेरा कलेक्शन सबसे ज़्यादा earrings में ही है so even today I felt that I'd like to wear a statement piece of earrings and मैंने आज ये एग्जीबिशन में भी जो भी मैंने देखा there's such a range of jewelry from young people to married women to grandmoms. Everyone has a chance to wear something that suits their personality and I especially love all the colored gemstones, the beautiful bracelets and rings which I saw absolutely stunning.
यानी हम आपको कुछ इस बार के बिग बॉस के घर पे फिर से देख सकते हैं या बुलावा आएगा तो
I think Big Boss एक लाइफ में एक बार मोमेंट है for sure. पता नहीं. I think this time is going to be a different journey and we all do it once and that's as good as it gets.
You are doing well in Kapil Sharma show. Any upcoming project you want to share with us on small screen or big?
Honestly अभी ज़्यादा जो काम मैंने किया इस साल में I think I'm like taking a little bit of a break right now but definitely Kapil Sharma is a really fun show. We're shooting a lot for the show and I'm doing a lot of stuff that is all over the country, events and things like that. As far as more work on the small screen, I think you guys will keep hearing about it but nothing to say right now. Thank you.
Thank you.
I've been associated with Retail Jeweler India for as many years as I can remember. It's an amazing platform to recognize talent, to give the industry, a communication stand, and I think that Summit and Soma both do an amazing job. So for me, this is like the Oscars of the jewelry industry. I'm wearing emerald earrings today, emerald ring, all designed by me, of course, and I love emeralds, so I'm here wearing my emeralds.
Are you excited for the
Yes, of course, I've seen Mohenjo-daro. I love the trailer. I wish Hrithik lots and lots of success, and I can't wait to see the movie. So I'm sure it's going to be a super hit. He doesn't need luck, but I want to give him more and more luck because I adore him.
Thank you.
First we take the bites and then you can start the food.
Yeah, sure. So anyone ask any questions? And look straight.
What are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing beautiful emeralds and uncut diamonds by Northern Das. I absolutely love jewelry and I've always looked for opportunities to wear them. And I think this dress complements it because it has a low neck.
Any memorable jewelry you want to share?
Many actually. My first ruby ring was bought by my father. It was a Burmese ruby from an auction because an astrologer had said that ruby is lucky for me. Then of course my engagement ring, which is a beautiful diamond. So yes, I think jewelry is a gift which is usually given as a momentum or as a precious moment or celebration. So I think every piece of jewelry that I own has a very special meaning.
Priya, your nose ring is obviously making, is highlighting your entire attire.
Yeah,
So
thank
would you
you.
like to make something on it, like,
Okay.
it's very unique.
Yes, actually it's a trend which has come up all over the world, but in India it hasn't come. It's called the spectum. Spectum is a nose ring that is worn around this area. I'm really excited. Actually, my daughter pushed me, who lives in Berkeley, pushed me to get it done. I think that for the first 1 month, I have to get something very simple, but I've already ordered one with diamonds, so I will be carrying this trend. I already have a lot of people complimenting me and saying that they would get it done as well. So I'm excited. I'm going to be starting this trend in India. I love jewelry, so being part of the jewelry awards is something that I enjoy. Thank you.
Can you just stand up a little?
Where?
A little, they just want to...
Here?
Yeah.